What if I told you fighting isn't the problem in your relationship? How you fight is. Every couple argues, but the difference between strong relationships and broken ones is how conflict is handled. Normalize conflict. Disagreements are natural. They don't mean your relationship is failing. In fact, healthy conflict can bring you closer if done right. Pause. Don't react. When emotions rise, logic disappears. Take a pause. Breathe. Respond. Don't react. Fight the issue, not the person. Avoid blame, insults, or bringing up the past. It's not you versus your partner. It's both of you versus the problem. Listen to understand, not to win. Stop planning your next response while they're talking. Real listening builds emotional safety. Use I statements. Instead of saying, "You never care," say, "I feel unheard when this happens." This simple shift changes everything. Repair quickly. A simple apology, a calm tone, or a small gesture can prevent distance from growing. Conflict doesn't destroy relationships. Silence, ego, and misunderstanding do. Learn to fight better, not harder.